Car frog.
What's inside the car book?
Look,
What's that?
a ladder.
Yes, a ladder.
Ladder.
Fire. What is that? Fire extinguisher.
Fire.
Yep. What's that?
A flower.
What is it?
The rock truck.
Fire truck. Yeah.
Light.
What light? That's a bullhorn.
The wire. Flash.
What else is there?
The body.
What's under there?
The body.
Okay.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
A body.
Yeah.
A castle. Go, duck. Go.
What do you hear?
Get that.
What's that?
Get that.
Those are blocks. What's under them?
Get that.
What's under it?
Get over.
Yeah. Look inside. What's under it?
That's over.
Yeah. I don't know what's under it.
Let's kill it.
Oh, it's a little guy. Yeah.
The car truck.
Yeah. Trash truck.